Welcome to Swatantra Gupta classes. Today I am going to explain Rain on the Roof class 9 poem from Beehive book. On the request of different students, I am going to explain in English. So be ready beta. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry sapphires and the melancholy darkness gently beats in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Here the poet says that the stars of the sky are not visible when the dark clouds cover the night sky. He states that the darkness is making him sad and reflective. The rain symbolizes the release of sadness and the ushering in of joy. So tears are falling softly down onto the surface of the earth. Rain makes us get nostalgic as well as joyous. The poet says that he loves to curl up in the comfort of his bed and just relish the wonderful music of the rain as it falls upon the roof of his little cottage. Now second stanza beta. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their ear threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now listen better explanation. The poet senses every sound that is produced as the rain tinkles against the shingles on the roof of his cottage. This brings back wonderful memories into his busy mind that is trying to recollect 1,000 memories of his past. He weaves each of these into a single thread and continues to enjoy the patter of the falling rains. Now third stanza. Now in memories comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers, or she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now better explanation. The poet remembers his mother looking down affectionately at him and his siblings as they sleep while having pleasant dreams. His mother would make it a point to see them fast asleep every night, as she knew she would let them sleep until the break of dawn. He remembers his mother looking down on him lovingly as he continues to be in slumber, listening to the rhythmic patter of the rains. I hope beta you would like it, share it and comment it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update. Thank you beta.